Imagine a world where humanoid robots are no longer just in sci-fi movies, but a reality you can experience firsthand. Think of a robot that not only walks and talks, but learns and adapts in real time, helping you with any task or duty you can think of. Now imagine someone uploading their consciousness into a humanoid robot to achieve immortality. You need to know what's happening right now. Remarkable development speed. Imagine a startup that, in just a year and a half, goes from nothing to creating an advanced robot capable of performing complex tasks and interacting autonomously with humans. This is exactly what Figure has done. It's incredible to think about how quickly they have grown. Many tech companies take years to achieve similar results, while Figure has shown that with the right vision and a dedicated team, development timelines can be massively accelerated. An autonomous robot. One of the most interesting aspects of this robot is its learning system. Unlike many robotic demos that speed up movements to show off their capabilities, Figure presented a demo at normal speed. This means that what you see is exactly what the robot can do in real time, without tricks. This is crucial because robotic demos are often manipulated to look more impressive than they really are, whereas here we are seeing an authentic representation of the robot's capabilities. The robot is not remotely controlled by a human but operates through an end-to-end neural network. The images captured by the cameras and the sounds recorded by the robot's microphones are processed by a multimodal model from OpenAI. This model can understand both images and text, processing the information to respond naturally through speech synthesis and decide on actions to take. The complexity of this system is remarkable. Imagine a robot that not only sees and hears, but can also understand and appropriately react to a wide range of situations. Advanced reasoning capabilities. One of the robot's most impressive abilities is its common sense reasoning. For example, as seen in this video from Figure, if it sees plates on the table, it can deduce that they need to be put away. Or, if a person says, "I'm hungry," the robot can interpret the request, find available food, like an apple in this case, and deliver it, clearly explaining the reason for its action. This type of reasoning goes beyond simply following commands. It implies an understanding of context and the ability to make autonomous decisions based on that understanding. This demo, where the robot gives an apple to the person who says, "I'm hungry," may seem simple at first glance, but it represents a significant leap in robotics. The robot must understand that the request, "I'm hungry," implies a need for food, scan the environment to identify a food source, choose the apple as the appropriate option, and then perform a series of coordinated actions to pick up and deliver the apple. It's a demonstration of how AI is evolving toward an increasingly human-like understanding. A multimodal learning model. The technological heart of this robot is the multimodal model developed by OpenAI. This model doesn't just process images or text individually, but integrates both modes to have a more comprehensive understanding of context. For example, when the robot hears a request and sees the surrounding environment, it can combine this information to respond more effectively. This is possible thanks to training on large amounts of data, allowing the model to recognize complex patterns and learn appropriate behaviors in various situations. Advanced speech synthesis. Another remarkable aspect of the robot is its speech synthesis capability. It can not only answer questions, but do so in natural and fluent language.
Hey, Figure One, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
This is particularly important for human interaction because clear and understandable communication is essential for building trust with users. The robot's speech synthesis is so advanced that it can even explain its actions, providing useful and transparent feedback. This level of interaction is a significant step forward compared to previous robots, which often had limited communication abilities. Looking to the future. Looking ahead, the Figure team is working to improve the movement speed of the Figure 1 robot. Currently, the robot walks more slowly than a human, but with the pace of progress they are maintaining, it's likely we will see a robot capable of moving at human speed by the end of the year. This would be a significant milestone, because speed is a crucial factor for many practical robot applications, from logistics to personal assistance. Additionally, there are plans to further expand the robot's capabilities by adding new behaviors and improving existing ones. For example, the robot could be trained to perform more complex tasks in domestic or work environments, thus increasing its usefulness in various contexts. Figure's long-term vision is to create robots that can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, helping us with a wide range of activities. Elon Musk himself stated on the All In podcast that every American household will have a domestic robot within 7 years. Innovation and social impact. Besides the technical aspects, it's important to consider the social impact of these innovations. Robots like those developed by Figure could revolutionize many sectors, from elderly care to logistics, improving quality of life and operational efficiency. However, it's crucial to also address the ethical issues related to robot use, ensuring they are used responsibly and sustainably. Technology has the potential to bring great benefits, but only if managed correctly. For example, robots could alleviate the workload in sectors like healthcare, where staff are often overburdened. At the same time, it's important to ensure that human workers are not replaced, but rather supported by these new technologies. The Brian Johnson case. Tech billionaire Brian Johnson is funding Catalog Technologies, a company developing DNA-based computers. Catalog Technologies is known for its innovative DNA-based computing and storage platform, which uses the natural properties of DNA to store and process large amounts of data extremely efficiently. Johnson believes this technology could allow him to upload his consciousness into a humanoid robot developed by Figure, aiming to achieve superhuman intelligence and eventually immortality. Catalog's technology enables complex computations to be performed in parallel, making it possible to process large amounts of data without proportionally increasing the necessary resources. In practice, Catalog has demonstrated the ability to encode thousands of words into DNA and then perform parallel searches on this data with unprecedented efficiency. This computing capability could revolutionize various sectors, including artificial intelligence and cybersecurity, by enabling algorithms to run directly on DNA. Johnson has ambitious plans for this technology, extending beyond simple data storage to using DNA for computing and artificial intelligence, with the ultimate goal of enhancing and perhaps extending human life through integration with advanced robots. The conclusion. Figure's story is an extraordinary example of how technological innovation can progress rapidly with vision and dedication. In less than 2 years, they have created a robot that not only performs tasks autonomously, but does so with surprising intelligence. With continuous improvements, Figure could soon become a leader in the robotics market, rivaling giants like Boston Dynamics and Tesla. Prepare for a future where robots will be our companions, enhancing our quality of life. Thanks to pioneers like Figure, the future of robotics is already here and promises to be exciting. What do you think about the integration of domestic robots into our lives? Let us know in the comments. We are very curious. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated on the latest news from the world of artificial intelligence.